What are the safety measures done by vessel to avoid second wave of COVID-19? Hi guys, myself Aman. Welcome to my channel CNS Vlog. If you are new here, please do consider subscribe this channel. I make video on the basis of maritime life. So today we are going to walk you through what are the safety precautions done by a vessel in order to avoid COVID-19. As we have seen, many countries still in lockdown. Country like Saudi Arabia and country like India, we have seen the recent video, so many news. What are the situation in country like India? So everybody is in, everything is still in lockdown. Many shopping malls, stores, so many things is still in lockdown. But on maritime life, here we cannot lock down anything because 90% of world trade depend upon the maritime life. So to avoid that, we have to do some safety precautions in order to avoid COVID-19 on vessel. So today we are going to take you through step by step what are the precautions done by a vessel in order to avoid COVID-19. First step, on monthly basis, vessel is fully sanitized. Not only that, we also get the ship sanitization certificate. If we go to any new port, first question they ask that do you have a ship sanitization certificate? So yes, we have also on our vessel. This is our ship sanitization certificate. You cannot see because of the light, but this is our ship sanitization certificate. Second, on regular basis COVID test. Same thing here, if we arrive to any new port, first thing they ask for swab test. Once we clear the swab test, all the crew find COVID negative, then they are allowed to go inside the port for bunkering or for immigration purpose. Third thing, if any crew or surveyor comes on board, they should have at least 48-hour corona test. Fourth thing, crew were not allowed for shore leave in order to maintain a social distance. Fifth thing, wear mask. Sixth thing, sanitize your hand. So we have so many celebrity also in WHO make the rule that we have to sanitize our hand and we have to wash our hand on regular basis. So normally we also used to do, but those vessels who are in sea, they do not follow that washing hand because they are in the middle of the sea. But as we work here on agent boat, we have to bring on the regular basis crew for sign on, sign off, most of the time immigration. So we are come in contact with so many new crew. So this is the reason we have to wash our hand on daily basis. So these are all the safety measures followed by on board. I think so. Maybe I have left so many. If you find anything I have left, any safety measure, please do comment. And if you like this video, please share in your group. Thank you.